Welcome again to the Media Night. Right, so today I'll be taking us on a series on how to connect your phone again using Iriun Cam this time around with your Vmix, right? So stay tuned and follow along, right? So first of all, connect your system to an hotspot and internet access, right? Whether your phone hotspot, your router, your Wi-Fi, your MiFi, anything, right? So far there's an internet access to your system. Now go to Chrome and load Iriun Camp, right? When you are done downloading it, install it into your system. When you install it, you open it. Now also go over to your phone. Do the same thing, Apple or Android phone, download, go to Play Store, download the stuff in your phone. Then open Iriun Camp in your phone. Click on the permission, give it access to your camera. Now it will be connected when it sees a device, right? It will synchronize automatically. If your phone is connected to the same hotspot being used by your system, it's going to connect automatically, right? I'm using Samsung, you can actually see, and everything is fine, right? So when you open it, go over to Vmix, right? Since it is a camera, go to attribute, check for camera option, then you see Iriun webcam. Click on it, then click on OK. When you do that, it will definitely appear here. Now, whatever your phone camera sees or captures, it will surely appear here. You can actually put it on your screen for visual protection, anything you want to do. Iriun Cam is actually very simple to use. It's user friendly. Almost all these things are user friendly, but I prefer that you know what's good for you and what's good for your environment, right? The audience, your world, anything you want to protect, right? So you use the one that is better for you. Test run the thing before you use it on the market. So when you are done connecting it and it appears here, you are good to go. Click on full screen, like I talked to you earlier. Click on full screen and your stuff will be for your audience consumption. Right? Thank you for joining me. Watch out for my next video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. See ya.